If you want to know how to Texlax your hair, this is a video to watch. In this video, I will show you how I Texlax my hair and the necessary steps that I take before and after Texlaxing. So guys, I just Texlaxed my hair and you can tell that I'm loving every inch of it. If you don't know what Texlaxing is, please click on the link over here. It should appear on the screen and watch my video on Texlaxing. It talks about the pros and cons of Texlaxing. So a quick recap on Texlaxing. Texlaxing simply means under processing your hair on purpose. Everyone grab a pen and paper because I'm about to give you all the necessary steps that I take before I Texlax my hair. For those of you who have asked me a lot of questions about Texlaxing, now is the right time to know everything and every single step that I take before and after I Texlax my hair. So doing a protein treatment 1 week prior to your Texlax will help strengthen your hair strands to be able to withstand the chemical process that will occur during Texlaxing. The next step is to wear protective styles that week before you Texlax your hair. That's after you've done your protein treatment. I would advise that you wear protective styles, easy protective styles that would not lead to over manipulation of your hair. So basically, just stay away from hairstyles that will cause more stress on your hair because you don't want your hair strands to be over manipulated a week prior to your Texlax day. I apply olive oil to my new growth to protect my hair from the harsh chemicals because the Texlaxing process, involves them Texlaxing your new growth. So I apply olive oil to my new growth to protect the hair from the harsh chemicals from the relaxer. So before you go into the salon or before you Texlax your hair at home, ensure that you coat your new growths with olive oil and you section it properly and detangle it properly before you Texlax your hair. I would recommend that you use a professional when Texlaxing in order for you to have the perfect Texlax experience. I cannot stress this enough. The few friends that I've spoken to that normally Texlax their hair by themselves got someone to help them with the hair behind, but I would just advise that you Texlax your hair with a professional so that you can achieve the same results every single time. Texlaxing is really not like relaxing because you're trying not to over process your hair. So I would strongly advise that you get the help of a professional when you want to Texlax your hair so that you can achieve the same perfect Texlax experience every time you Texlax. So we are all familiar with this step. You need to base your scalp with any conditioning balm or petroleum jelly before you Texlax. This will help prevent scalp scalding when the chemical is being applied to your hair. Focus on areas like your scalp, focus on areas like your hairline, focus on areas like your nape and also around your ears. Those are the areas that the chemicals can actually come on and can lead to some burns. After you've prepped your hair, it's time for you to Texlax. So what I normally do, I normally use a no-line relaxer with regular strength. I emphasize on regular because you don't want to get a super relaxer because that will process your hair really fast. I would suggest you opt for a regular relaxer for this process. So I use the Mega Growth No-Lie Relaxer and I have it here. It's a regular strength relaxer. It's got 7 packs touch-up with free neutralizing shampoo inside. This was such an amazing product for my hair. And it has all the necessary steps to take, how to mix the cream and the activator. My method of Texlaxing is mixing conditioner with my relaxer. Some people mix their relaxers with oils. but I mix my relaxer with a good conditioner. So mixing the conditioner to your relaxer helps to slow down the process. So this is a very vital step when Texlaxing your hair. It takes about 14 minutes from sectioning my hair, balming my scalp, and the application of the relaxer. It took me about 14 minutes in total to achieve that. So after washing my hair, I go in with a neutralizing shampoo to stop the chemical process, and afterwards it's straight to deep conditioning. I deep condition my hair for 30 minutes and I timed myself. I basically sat down and enjoyed a few pages of the book I was reading. It's such a good time to read a book, you know, when you're deep conditioning your hair. So this is also a very vital step to take after Texlaxing your hair, because your hair has been through what I call trauma, because you've added chemicals that have broken down the protein bonds of your hair. So the next thing is to do a protein treatment on your hair to help rehydrate and moisturize and replace all the lost nutrients that the Texlaxing process have taken off from your hair. So deep conditioning right after Texlaxing is a must. Right after deep conditioning my hair, I rinsed it off and I blow dried my hair. This is basically the only time I allow heat on my hair. I normally don't apply heat to my hair all through the 7 months that I stay before I Texlax my hair again. So on Texlax day, that's when I blow dry my hair. Every time I Texlax, my hairstylist is just really amazed at the rate at which my hair is growing and how my hair has been thriving. So on the days that I Texlax my hair, those are the days that I trim. After I blow dry my hair, that is when I see the length of my hair properly and what needs to go and what doesn't need to go. I always Texlax my hair every 28 weeks. Initially, it used to be 20 weeks, but I've been able to learn how to manage my hair and carry it on for 28 weeks. It was really difficult at the first time, but you can get used to it when you start. It's something that you can actually learn how to get used to. 28 weeks works really well for me. I can manage my new growths better now. It's a gradual process. When I started, it was really hard, but now I can tell you that leaving my hair for 28 weeks after each Texlax was the best decision I ever made for my hair. I get the best of both worlds, basically, being Texlax. So today I have the relaxed look, tomorrow I have the natural look. What's not to love about Texlax hair? So if you want to Texlax your hair, feel free to go right ahead. Make sure you follow each step, just how I have listed them in this video, and trust me, your hair will thank you. So guys, leave a comment for me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Who else is about to Texlax their hair? Who else has already Texlaxed their hair? Leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let's chat in the comment section. So everyone, be safe out there. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.